I think they're looking at waterfront improvement or waterfront development projects. There's kind of three big drivers out there. First, space or the actual land. There's not a lot of land available. Many waterfronts are heavily developed at this point. So when space becomes available, it's at a premium. It usually has some type of impact. Looking around at many of the projects we're pursuing now, they're former industrial facilities that may not be, they're going to a mixed use or some other use. So there's an environmental component to that, which comes with a lot of regulations and stuff like that. The availability of this land is a challenge. And then the third one is really climate change and how to build resilient and appropriate structures in this space. Everybody wants to be in this space, whether it's residential, whether it's some industries, parks, recreation. It's a place that people come to, but we need to make sure that we're constructing and designing things that are going to be there for a while and will be resilient as we adapt to sea level rise, different storm events, and those types of things. We kind of run a whole gamut of solutions, kind of going to where we start with potential. If there's environmental impacts, we have extensive experience both investigating and remediating both on water and upland sites. So whether it's sediments, whether it's groundwater, whether it's soils that are all in this interface of a waterfront project, we are pretty much a full service provider for that type of remediation and seeing that from the initial investigation through construction. I think Geosyntec separates itself from others in many aspects. First, we have grown a significant amount over the last couple of years, and geographically our footprint is international at this point. Major office hubs around the Great Lakes, in Toronto, along the East Coast, up and down the East Coast, in Europe and Australia. Many times we need some local representation. It's really important. Many of the clients that we work with want to see a local presence. So this has really allowed us to differentiate ourselves from some of our competitors out there. We're still a practice-based organization. We're not a warehouse of engineers, so people have ownership of projects and have a vested interest in them. And I think that's another separator for us.